Morning guys, nice sunny day in Chiang Mai and I'm heading off to the dentist. I'm running a little bit late, well I'm not late yet, but I'm trying to make sure I get there on time. Wait for my appointment. So dentist is done. That was 1,500 baht for kind of medium filling on this side, which roughly equates to £35 UK for a white filling, which is very good. Anyway, right now I'm outside a health food shop because next up on my list of things to do is get some soap. So it's a nice health food shop full of all the usual health food shop goodies. Oh, strawberry, eh? How much are these? Not bad. Might get some of these. But yeah, I'm here to get some soap. So that's where I need to look at. So I got some bamboo and charcoal soap, which apparently is good for removing oil from your skin and things like that. As I have oily skin, that might be a good thing. I've never tried it before, so it's 45 baht, just over £1 for a nice like homemade soap, so I'll give it a try. Next on my list of things to do is go to Mong Cycles, say hi to Stu, and also look into this cool device, which is like a seat post for your bike, but has like a little bit of suspension on there which you can tighten and adjust. So I'm intrigued. Stu's got it, he loves it, he swears by it now, so I thought I'd give it a try and see if it might be a worthy upgrade for my faithful steed here. Hey man. Yeah, you know it. Bag is packed and I'm ready to go to work. So for lunch today I'm taking these 2 guavas because I didn't take them yesterday, and I'm also taking 6 bananas, so you can see that, and I'm also going to hit up the fruit shop if it's open and grab like 2 to 3 bits of fruit, because that should be enough And for dinner, we're going to MAIM. I'm doing the thumbs up quite a lot, it seems. But yeah, for dinner I'm going to MAIM with Rachel and everyone else. All the guys are going to be there. So the plan for dinner is to essentially use up a whole load of our salad stuff. So we've got quite a few salad bits. Gonna make a salad and some rice to bring with in a Tupperware, and also probably order some avocado salads from there. Mix it all up like last time because that was buff, and it's gonna be awesome and I can't wait. It's gonna be buff. Yeah, I said it. Back from the 90s or early noughties, whatever, if you're from the UK. At the fruit place, hitting up the fruit. Saw that Emery go past at Felipe. Everyone's down about today. Yeah, I think today we're gonna get this guava and 2 pineapple. Actually, no, wait. Guava, pineapple, and watermelon. That's what I'm feeling.
Three hours later.
Heading home a little bit earlier than expected today. Still going to be working from home. Just thought I'd go chill with Rach for a little bit while I kind of continue working, because Sebastian's gone to the dentist. I don't really need to be at Pun Space anymore, and being a digital nomad means I can work anywhere the fuck I want as long as I have the internet connection. So yeah, just getting my bike now, down there, and heading off home. I'm gonna carry on working for a couple of hours and then head off to MAIM. So we're ready to go to MAIM. Did a bit of work there, changed the brake pads on the front of my bike and oiled my chain. And this is what we're bringing to MAIM with us. So this is both for me and Rach. So there's a big Tupperware there of rice and an even bigger Tupperware there of salad. And we're gonna buy some salads when we go there. Ain't that right, Mal?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna add everything together and make food. And I've now coconut oiled my tattoo. So we are ready. Let's go. Gotta film the Alicia arriving. How's it going?
That's so close.
Really?
Gotta get closer.
You don't want to scare your viewers, don't do it.
No, I'm scared. You guys are my viewers anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Oh, hey guys.
20 minutes later.
So this is Rachel's thing. Looks nice. So this is Emery's whole food buffet. Check that out.
Yeah, I'm going back on Monday as well.
Alicia's smashing in the carbs. Everyone's dining, lots of green. What are you having, Rich? Oh, you're breatharian nowadays. Cool. How's that going? So avocado salad looks good. Avocado's on point. Rachel was heading up everything with rice.
Some new mountain that
I've got some salad here, some salad here, and
I remember
some
we're like,
rice.
oh yeah, sometimes we go to Amsterdam on Monday.
I'm ready. Food top up, getting round 2 going.
Some experience in traffic.
Need some more dressing, but it's looking good. Rachel's almost done.
You get into the flow, right?
Yeah.
This is nice feeling.
Ready for the 3rd and final round. Tupperwares are empty, belly's getting there. Just finish this, put it in there, and I'm ready to go. That's it. Did you enjoy your food? Emery's enjoying hers. Slowly getting through everything. Everyone's finished.
3 hours later.
So another really great evening tonight. Just chilled at MAIM for 3 hours, chatted to friends, chatted to new friends, made new friends in fact, and ate lots of tasty food. So I ate everything that we came with, as you saw. It was super tasty. I feel very nice and full. Not like overstuffed full, like Christmas dinner stuffed full, but just content, satiated, which is good, because I'm gonna be up for another like 2-3 hours working, calling suppliers, doing all that kind of stuff, because American time zones have finally kicked in. People have to wake over there, so I need to call them and get some new suppliers for our business. So unfortunately, being a digital nomad has its disadvantages. This is one in regards to mine. I would like to go to bed right now, but unfortunately I can't. So that is the nature of the game. It is how it is. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was a fun-filled day. Tomorrow, probably hitting up Mung Mai in the morning to get some veg and things to fill up our very bare looking fridge. But yeah, fasting wise, everything's going great. Loving it. I'm essentially, as I've realized today, doing rule till 4 now, because I'm having breakfast which is at like 2, which is fruit, and that generally lasts me till about 6 to 6, where I tend to have my dinner. So that is rule till 4. I'm still consuming the same reasonable amount of calories that I reckon rule till 4 does, unless I'm supposed to be getting 3,000, then I'm not. But hey, life is good. I'm loving it. I've got lots of energy. Everything is great. So goodbye from me. Goodbye from Rachel. And see you guys in the next video. Get more carbs in. Love you guys. Peace.